everyone, this is Christy. Today I have a big announcement to make. I'm going to collaborate with the store VectoriaDesigns Etsy shop. I never heard of that store before, and when they invited me to collaborate with them, I went to see their products and I'm in love with them. So they design digital images for junk journals. Now, by just looking at the pictures of the papers that they have, everything, the embellishments, all the things that they put it together for you to make an easy way, a junk journal, it's so beautiful. And also they have a YouTube channel, and I invite you to visit that channel because you will learn a lot. If you are new to this, if you just try yourself making junk journals, you can learn a lot of tips and tricks, a lot of using the digital images, making the covers, how to add add-ons to your project. So it's a very, very nice way to make your junk journals. And I'm going to start making one project a month. And I'm so happy for that because I always wanted to have like a collection of junk journals. So I'm going to show you the projects that I make, and I also will show you the new releases that they have every month. Okay, so that will be super awesome. And now, before I show you something that I printed, I'm going to ask you to mark your calendars. Okay, mark your calendars to this date, July 15 at 12 p.m. That means at noon, CEST. Okay, and now I'm going to show you a sneak peek of the papers that I chose for my project that I'm going to show you on July 15. Okay, here are the papers. Okay, these are not all, these are just a few, but I want you to see what did I choose. Okay, you know the colors that I like. Okay, ready? Yes, shabby chic. I love this paper so much. Look at this, it's so super beautiful. So I'm going to make my first junk journal using these colors. Okay, so, and look at these tags. Isn't that so super neat? And this is what I'm telling you, this one is designed so you can just fold it. Okay, you can cut out all the edges right here, and you have page for your journal. Okay, and you can add the embellishments, and here is another page. I'm going to show you my first tips. Okay, look at these two. This one I printed in my printer, and this one is borderless. Can you see? So I can have a bigger image. Okay, and this is using an inkjet. Okay, ink cartridge, and these are standard papers for printer. And this one, okay, is the same. Can you see the color? But this one is using a laser printer. Okay, look at the color. See the difference? And this is paper, and I'm going to show you, this is cardstock. Okay, on cardstock, this is the difference. Okay, this is borderless. Okay, this is the same page, borderless, and this one is using inkjet, and this one is laser. So as you can see, the color is different. Okay, and this is the difference between borderless. Okay, and this one is going to be smaller because you have to cut unless you want to put it like that, right? As I said, this is cardstock, and these are the beautiful tags that comes with this kit. And there are a lot of beautiful papers, and you will see everything on July 15. And if you like to make junk journals and you don't want to miss anything, go and subscribe to my channel. Okay, click on the bell Okay, and go to Victoria's channel too, so you can see more and more and learn a lot. And they have freebies, they have tutorials, they have everything. Is so super cute. And thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye bye.